Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 7, working on object in PowerPoint. Now objects we have already learned in Word, MS Word. Now same objects are available in PowerPoint also, and we are going to use that what steps we need to follow for using those objects in PowerPoint this time. So let's start the class and see what are the topics which we are going to discuss today. So the first topic is objects in PowerPoint, second is text box, word art, and third is changing text color. So let's start with object, that what is object. So let's revise that definition. An object is any non-text component that is supported object in MS PowerPoint. This includes screenshots from the application, pictures, videos, clip arts, images, tables, data charts, word art, shapes, text box. So all those things which you were able to insert in MS Word, all those objects you can also insert in PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, you get some more objects in comparison to MS Word. So let's see our first object, that is text box. So what is text box? So text box are the objects of MS PowerPoint application which works as a placeholder in which you can insert text and take it anywhere on the slide. So let's check this, what is text box in PowerPoint. So let's open a new file. Now in this, you can see that we are already getting one placeholder for writing the text inside this or text on our slide. Now suppose if I am inserting a blank slide. Suppose I have inserted a blank slide, then on this I don't get any placeholder for writing any content on my slide. For that I need one text box here. So for inserting the text box in PowerPoint, the steps are same. First you need to go in the insert tab. Then you need to click on the text box option. After clicking on the text box option, you just need to click and drag the mouse pointer on your slide for drawing the text box. And now your text box is drawn. Now whatever content you want to write in that, you can just type it. So this is how you can insert text box. First step is to go in the insert tab, then click on the text box option, and then on your slide, click and drag the mouse pointer for creating the text box. So now the text box has been drawn. And once the text box is drawn, you can start typing in that text box for writing any content of your choice. So let's write PowerPoint in this. So you can write any content which you want in your presentation by adding text box if placeholder is not available. So let's move to our next topic of today, that is word art. So what is word art? Now here word art is also the same content of MS Word which we have already seen is available in the PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. So word art allows you to create stylized with effects such as textures, shadows, and outlines. You can also insert and modify a variety of shapes like rectangles, circles, lines, arrows, callouts, and stars. So you can even use the text box for drawing the word art, or you can even use some of the pre-designed word art which is already provided to you by Microsoft. So let's see the steps which we need to follow for using the word. So now let's see what is word art. To the new slide. So in this, again, for inserting the word art, you need to go in the insert tab. So click on the insert tab here. After clicking on insert tab, you need to click on the word art option, which is available in the text group. So here you can see the word art option. And once you click on the word art option, one drop down list will appear. In that drop down list, you need to select which type of word art you want. So these are some of the pre-designed word arts provided by Microsoft company. So you can use any of the pre-designed word art. For example, I'm selecting this one, the last one, and you can see one text box has been created, and inside that text box, some text with some design has been applied. Now what you need to do is to just type the content which you want in your word art. For example, here I'm going to write standard 5. So now you can see that the text I have inserted inside the word art, that is already designed, that is already formatted. So in this we do not need to do any more editing, because in this word art already the designing or the formatting of the word is already done. So here we don't need to do more formatting. So this is how we insert the word art. First we need to click on the insert tab, and then we need to go in, click on the word art option available in the text group. So first click on the insert tab, then in the text group you will get the word art option. Click on that, select whichever word art you prefer. So this time I'm selecting another word art, so this one, and you can see that the word art has again been created. Now you just need to click delete the previous text, and then you need to type whatever you want. So I'm writing computer in that again. So now you can see that in this text the formatting is already done. So this is why we use the word art feature in MS PowerPoint, so that the text which we are inserting, that is already created, and that will save our some time. Now next topic of today was how to change the font color or text color. Now in this slide, let's insert some text first, and in the second placeholder also. So now we have some text on our slide. Now suppose if you want the text color of this slide to be different. Now in previous class, in previous chapter, we have learned how to change the background color. So let's change the background color of a slide, of this slide, to black first. So first we need to go in the design tab, click on the format background option, solid fill, and let's select a darker color black. Now in this, if the background color and the font color both are same, now you can see that the text is not visible, because the background and the text color both are same now, and that's why the text is hidden here. So in this case, suppose if this type of situation arises, then in that case you need to change the font color. So you already know that at which position the placeholder was placed on your slide. So just click on there, the placeholder will appear, and you can see that the typing cursor is blinking here. With that, you can press Ctrl plus A, and the text will be selected inside that placeholder. Go in Home tab, and then select any different color. And once you will select the color, the font color will change and the text will be visible. So here the steps for changing a text color is, first you need to select the text whose color you want to change. After selecting the text, go in the Home tab. In Home tab, Fonts group, this A symbol which you are seeing, that is the font color option. Click on the downward arrow here, and then select whichever color you want for your text, and that color will be applied. So this is how you can change the font color. Let's change the font color of the second placeholder. So just click on there, placeholder will appear. Select the text, go in Home tab, click on the font color option, and then select a color. So like this, you can change the font color of your text in a slide. So in this class, till this much only. In next class, we'll learn some more tools of MS PowerPoint, so that we can make our work much more faster and much more beautiful. Till then, keep studying, stay healthy, stay at home. Bye everyone.